Hi guys! So for today's video, I'm going to be recreating 3 different Selena Gomez photos, like their makeup looks, sort of their hair looks, but more focused on the makeup. I get told occasionally, sometimes, honestly more times than that are really truly believable. People tell me I look like her. I don't really see it. For one thing, I'm white, like really pale, so I feel like that takes away some of the comparison, but I don't know, people say that, but either way, regardless, she's just so pretty. So this was the first photo that I chose. I think that it's very cute and pretty and dewy, and it's a very like wet look, which is cute for spring and summer when we're already going to be sweating. I also cleaned my brushes this morning, which I'm happy about, but I forgot to clean my beauty blender, so it's still a little. Okay, so first thing to note is her skin looks really amazing and glowy. So I've already washed my face and moisturized, but I'm going to put on my Milani Make It Dewy. I'm gonna go with concealer first because she's not super highlighted. So this is my NYX HD Studio. I'm kind of putting a lot, I feel like more than I normally do. I'm blending it all the way down my cheeks. I have freckles naturally and she doesn't seem to. If she does, it's being covered by foundation, so I'm kind of just covering up my actual face. So my foundation, I'm using a sample right now of the CC cream, It Cosmetics Dewy CC cream. This isn't as dewy as I kind of want it to be. I think it's just very flat, honestly. Okay, why do I have a spot of concealer? Can you see that? That's just me. This is not blending out very well on my forehead. I need more of this. Okay, on my lips, I just added some Vaseline. Okay, and then her eyelids look very dewy, so I'm actually gonna put some of this on my eyelids, which might sound weird, but I need them to be like wet. Her eyebrows don't look very filled in, but I have pretty light brows, and just kind of add a little bit. And now I'm gonna be using Brow Food. Is any clear brow gel. She has them very messy. I feel like hers are still a little more wet looking. Oh well. Okay, now I'm going to take a fluffy eyeshadow brush and I'm taking an iridescent, like pearly highlighting shade. I'm gonna go right under my eyebrows and taking it all the way down to the tip of the brow. I feel like that looks good, right? I'm putting on the tiniest bit of powder. I'm using this mini hourglass one. Her nose looks sort of matte, so I'm just gonna do that and right under my eyes so that concealer doesn't crease. And that's literally the only place I'm putting powder. It's a dewy moment for sure. All right, for her eyeballs, she has like dark liner just like literally like in her lash line. So she's using black, but I'm gonna use brown because I'm paler than her, and I think that will make it have like the same effect. We don't want it to look obvious, and I feel like that looks kind of obvious. Okay, I'm feeling that's the vibe. Oh my god. Okay, that's the eyeliner done. I think that's pretty good. It doesn't look like she has on any bronzer. She has on no eyeshadow. She has a nude lip color that's very glossy. I'm gonna get a lip liner, just like put it on the center of my lips and then add a clear gloss. Yeah. She doesn't have any blush on. Very all natural. And then I'm gonna do very light mascara. I'm gonna add some more highlight. She has highlight on her chin, and there's like a little on her nose. And I'm gonna add it to the cheeks as well, especially because she doesn't have any blush or anything. And I'm gonna add it to this part of my forehead. Did I like highlight it? And now I'm gonna do the lips. I'm just using a nude. I think the reason why people say we look alike, so I don't have a very distinct Cupid's bow. It's pretty round, and so does she. So I think that's why people say we look alike. And now for a super glossy vibe, I'm gonna be using Too Faced Lip Injection Clear Lip Gloss. It's gonna burn. It's gonna burn really bad. Oh, it's burning. Ow, it's hurting me. Okay, now mascara. Where is mascara? Oh, it's all over there. Oh my gosh, my eyes are burning. I'm using Milk Mascara. This is my favorite at the moment. Milk Kush. I need to go like very light with it. Okay, I think that's good. I'm gonna add more spray. Now I feel very wet. time to take the selfie. Oh my gosh, this is tough. I don't know if I should take it far away and then crop. That looks nothing. Okay, trying again. Okay, this hair needs to not. I'm not wetting my hair for these photos. No, that is not good. This is not good. I don't look like her. Why do people say that I look like her? I don't. I just don't look like her. Okay, I'm gonna edit one of those and see what, yeah. Well, after many a photo and many a fail, I think this is the closest I got. I do not think I look like her. I did my best, okay? And I feel like the makeup suits the look. Okay, on to the next. So I've decided I'm only gonna do 2 makeup looks because it just makes the most sense for this video. This video's gonna be too long if I do 3. And this one's like cooler anyway, so. Okay, so it's this one that I have up on the screen. Her pose is much easier this time, so I'm hoping I can master that better. But yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna start with this base that I already have on. And, ooh, do we have tape?
No.
We don't have tape at all?
I don't know, maybe.
We have tape. It's very exciting for me. Okay, now I just gotta make sure I get the tape even. I'm gonna start with a blending brush. Some guy just looked at me through the window. And like a very base nude color. And I'm just gonna blend that into my crease so that when I'm blending my other colors, oh, I just remembered I have like that Vaseline on me. Maybe that will act as a sticky base, like, I don't know. So just blend that bad boy. I think it's good. Okay, I'm nervous to dive into this. Okay, I'm gonna start with the color, oh my gosh, this is hard to see. So in my Steal It in the Light palette, there's a color called Luster, which is kind of like a cool toned brown. I'm going to take a little bit of that. I'm just taking it on the tip and I'm gonna start blending it into the crease. Oh gosh, just a little bit at a time. I'm gonna blend it out with the color Bliss, that's right above it. That looked a little crazy. Okay, now I'm gonna try to do the gunmetal. There's a color in here called Night Sky. As you can tell, it's like a gunmetal, silvery, sparkly color. And then I also have a Smashbox Full Exposure palette. And there's like a very sparkly gunmetal color in here. So what I might do is work with this Steal It in the Light color as the base of it. And then this one on top because it's a little more like chunky, I think. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna spray it so that I can pick up the color easier. Here we go. And I'm avoiding the very inner corner. Okay, that looks kind of good. Now I'm gonna go back in with my blending brush, the color Bliss, and I'm gonna start to blend the crease into that gunmetal shade. And now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Luster and I'm gonna work it. My gosh, I'm so smoky. Never been so smoky in my life. Okay, I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna peel off my tape. Oh, baby. So she doesn't have like a very sharp line like this. So now I'm gonna get Bliss. I'm gonna blend this line out down to my lower lash line. Okay, so her inner corners are like a bright silver and her lower lash line is like just a repeat of the top. Okay, that's good for the eyeshadow for now until I do my inner corner. So I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer to under my eyes to get rid of like some of that fallout and darkness. So because she's more matte, what I'm gonna do, the look's not focused on her face, it's really focused on her eyes. I still wanna glow. I'm taking my MAC, Soft and Gentle, and then I'll powder over it to help kind of mute the glow. You know what I'm saying? She does not have on like a lot of blush, like none. But I'm gonna add this matte Tarte shade in Party, just very lightly. Again, she's not very bronzed, so I'm just going to do a little bit. I'm gonna do the bottom of my nose to help with like mimicking her shape. We're almost done. Mascara time. And lucky for me, she's not wearing falsies in the photo, because I don't wear false lashes. Can you even see them? Like, what I'm seeing in the camera looks strange, so I hope it looks better. I'm sweating. I forgot I have to do this still. Okay, that didn't really change much. And Naked 2 palette does have a silver shade, Verve, one right there. So I'm just gonna take that on. It's actually a concealer brush, but it's like very small and narrow, so it's helpful for inner corners. Hers was a bit kind of into her lash line and very inside of her lid. Oh, wow, that really changed the game. And her brow bone, non-iridescent shade, so I'm gonna use Foxy from Naked 2. Okay, now I just need to do powder. I'm gonna do my lips now. So she has like a nude line around her lips. We got that right here, folks. I look a little crazy. I look crazy. I look slightly crazy. Okay, so then for her lip color, I'm gonna have to play around and I'm mixing this together, hopefully to create a great lip shade. This is either I never wear nude lipstick that's matte. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm kind of looking like her. Am I not? I don't know what's going on. This might be the exact right shade. Hers are a little glossy. Oh, thank God. Okay. Oh my gosh, wait, this is working, I think. Is it working? I don't know. Eyebrows, I have to do eyebrows. Okay, I'm just gonna focus on the tail because that's like where hers is mainly filled in. Okay, that's pretty fire if I do say so myself. Oh my gosh, I think the makeup's done. Okay, let's go to the bathroom and look at my hair. This is a terrible angle for you, but that's life. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. My head shape doesn't really look the best with the middle part. I think it's just like slick into a low bun. This lip color is not for me. This is very off-brand Selena Gomez. Let's try to take a selfie. I might have to go into the bathroom and like do it dark. Okay, so I don't know if any of those pictures worked. I'm going to edit them and be right back. Okay, so I just edited for a very long time. So I feel like, honestly, it turned out pretty good. I feel like the image is a lot warmer than it actually looks in real life. I think in real life it looks more similar to her than in the photo. So, I don't know. But this has been very fun. I have to go clean up my mess of makeup that is now everywhere. And I'll see you guys later. If I should do any other celebs, let me know. Thanks for hanging out with me. I mean, Selena.